Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should see this icon right here, battery modes. So simply tap on it and it will take you to the settings where you will see a bunch of different options. So we have the high performance, balanced, power saving, super saving, and a couple of custom ones that you can customize. But I'll go over only the preloaded ones. So to enable it, simply select the power saving, and this will enable it, obviously. And you can see it right here based on that icon right over here with the battery and the plus. And also in the notifications that we are now in the power saving mode. Now in this mode, a couple things will be disabled. So mobile data, Wi-Fi will turn off automatically after a specific time of inactivity, just to save the battery. You will also experience things like slower performance of the device, just to increase the battery life. Sometimes the device drops the brightness of the display, and apart from that, you can also extend the battery further yourself by turning off things like hotspots, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. What else is here? Let's see, NFC, location. All these toggles will consume a little bit more battery, so if you disable them like they are right now, it will also give you a little bit more battery life. And apart from that, we can do something that the device doesn't actually do, which is drop the brightness of the display, and this will increase the battery life. Now basically from going like, I don't know, from max to about halfway, you get about 3 hours more battery on average. So that is one of the good ways of just gaining free battery for basically no trade-off almost. Now you also have a super saving, and this is the drastic mode. So you can see this is right now the max brightness, and it is barely visible. You can max it out a little bit or bring it back to normal. Everything is now black, and there is a bunch of things happening in the background as well. Everything that I mentioned before, plus probably even more. So this is the drastic mode, basically to preserve as much battery as the device can. And once you're done with it, all you need to do is just go back to it and go back to balanced if you want to turn it off. So that is basically how you would use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.